What's up guys, Mon here. Welcome back to Hardware Voyage. Meron ulit tayong gaming mouse ngayon, ang glorious modelo minus. Alright, first, the design. Of course, ang una nating mapapansin dito ay ang butas-butas na plastic shell, and this is mainly to reduce the weight of the mouse. 58 to 59 grams lang ang modelo minus, which is super lightweight to the point na parang wala ka na ding hawak. Bakit kamo kailangan na magaan ang mga gaming mice? It's ideal for FPS gaming, which we'll talk more about later on. Hindi lahat nagustuhan yung design, para sa iba maganda, para sa iba hindi. Personally, I think it looks good with this honeycomb design, and it's quite unique, at least for now. Available to in two finishes, matte 58 grams at glossy 59 grams. Meron din tayong dalawang color options, black and white, at napili ko ang matte white version dahil fingerprint magnet ang glossy at posibleng maging madulas kapag nagpawis ang kamay. Meron tayong RGB LEDs dito sa scroll wheel at sa dalawang gilid, which reflects really well on white variants. Build quality is surprisingly good. At first akala ko flimsy dahil sa mga butas, but no, it's built really well at sobrang minimal lang ng flex dito sa gitna. Omron switches ang gamit nito para sa left and right clicks, which are very tactile and durable, rated for 20 million clicks. Maganda ang placement ng DPI and side buttons. I've been using this for more than a month now at hindi pa naman ako nagkaproblema sa mga accidental press. Hindi rin nag-a-activate yung side buttons kahit pa sobrang higpit ng pag-grip ko sa mouse, di tulad ditong HyperX FPS Pro. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung scroll wheel, silent but tactile. I wish it was a little bit more tactile but it's really good. Now the extended cable is slightly bent out of the box, pero madali lang naman ito wedge so it's not really an issue for me. Makapal pero flexible ang cord na to, and it gives us an almost wireless experience. Pero, meron na tong bagong version, ang extended cable version 2, at yun na ang nakalagay sa mga bagong batch ng Model O, Model D, and most probably sa mga upcoming gaming mice pa ng Glorious. So make sure na version 2 na ang extended cable nang makukuha yung mouse, just in case nabibili kayo. Nag-o-offer din sila ng iba't ibang kulay ng cable. Those are being sold separately for around 1,000 pesos. Pero ang good news, libre ang installation fee sa mga Glorious gaming mice na binili sa Rotobox Philippines. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, sila ang official distributor ng Glorious gaming products dito sa Pilipinas. Dito naman sa baba makikita natin ang DPI indicator at yung G-Skates mouse fit. Gawa to sa 100% virgin PTFE that gives us a really smooth glide, and seriously, walang-wala dito yung mga stock mouse fit from well-known brands. Moving on to the sensor, PixArt PMW3360 sensor ang gamit ng modelo minus. Meron tong up to 16,000 DPI, and it's one of the best sensors in the market right now. Great tracking, very responsive and precise. Wala akong na-encounter na kahit anong issues while gaming, no jitters, no delays, solid gaming performance overall. Alright, sobrang dami ng positive sa mouse na to, pero baliwala lahat ng yon kung hindi rin naman sasakto sa iyo ang shape and size. So meron tayong ambidextrous shape, though it's not really for lefties dahil nasa kaliwa lang ang side buttons. Again, this is the smaller version of the original Model O. Meron akong 17.5 by 10 cm na hand size at medyo nalalakihan ako doon sa original. Itong O- saktong-sakto yung size para sa akin, but it's not really perfect for my grip style. I'm using claw grip by the way, and it's good, comfortable naman, but it's not perfect for me dahil medyo mababa ang hump nito, so halos walang pagpapatungan ang palm kapag naka-claw grip. The G Pro Wireless is one of the best ambidextrous shape mice I have, and here it is compared to the O-. Tingin ko itong shape na to ay perfect for fingertip grip, good enough for claw grip, and not recommended for palm grip style users dahil makipot yung mouse, so this may cause you finger fatigue over long gaming sessions. Software is not the best that I've tried pero andito naman lahat ng kailangan natin. DPI adjustment, button remapping, macros, pwede tayong gumawa ng iba't ibang profiles, mag-adjust ng polling rate, lift off distance, and of course, RGB controls. Priced at around 2,895 to 3,100 pesos, I think the Model O- is a really great mouse overall. Honestly, ang hirap humanap ng con sa mouse na to. Super lightweight pero solid ang build quality. Nagustuhan ko yung scroll wheel, yung mouse fit at yung cable. Great sensor, very accurate and responsive. So depende na lang talaga kung mag-fit sa'yo yung shape at kung magugustuhan mo ang design. But do keep in mind na kapag pinagsama yung pagiging lightweight, super smooth mouse fit, flexible cable, and excellent sensor, magiging sobrang kontrolado mo yung mouse, which is really great especially for FPS gaming. Hindi ko sinasabing magiging mas magaling na gamer ka dahil dito, pero for sure mabibigyan ka nito ng mas magandang gaming experience. So kung FPS gamer ka na may fingertip or claw grip style, you really have to check this out. Alright, that's all for me. Huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe para sumuporta sa channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood at next time ulit. Peace!